Hey everyone, I've got a couple cool new cars in the collection this week. First up, this is the Nissan R390. Not a car you really think of anymore. This was more of a GT1 race car. But this is the one street car that was made. It's in the Nissan Museum, so you're not really going to see it on the street. This is by GT Spirit. It's a sealed resin, but we do have opening mesh in the back. A little bit of engine detail, which is pretty good. Ignore my face in the reflection. Pretty good considering this is sealed resin. No one's really doing detailed engines anymore. Pretty good interior detail. We have fabric seat belts. Paintwork's pretty good. No real obvious flaws. This was a twin turbo V8 from memory. Did comfortably over 200 miles per hour in the mid 90s. That's moving. Probably a competitor to the McLaren F1. Nice wheels. This is pretty neat in terms of content. GT Spirit offering this. I mean, you can get the race car by Auto Art Signature for $300, but no one has tackled this street version. I mean, they only made one, so it's not going to be a popular model, so I guess it's a good subject for resin. This is car number 764 out of 1500. I looked out, I scored it pretty cheap on eBay. I won it for $77, retails about $150. That price, certainly not mad at it. Black GT Spirit box, a little bit of a preview. Next up, some opening diecast. This is a BMW X7 Dealer Edition. This is actually by Kyosho. I didn't know it was by Kyosho because the Dealer Edition boxes are just black, but underneath the car you will see it is marked Kyosho. Really nice metallic blue color. Wheels are pretty well detailed. Big grille, whether you like it or not. But on BMWs, they're just getting bigger. So the X7 was the flagship SUV. There's now the XM, but it's the largest SUV in the BMW lineup, above the 5 and the 3 and 2 and the 4 and the 6. This has a twin turbo V8 known as a Hot V. I think 4.4 liters, 523 horsepower. You can get a variety of other drivetrains in it, 6-cylinder, straight sixes and whatnot. It looks like the trunk should open, but it is a non-opening trunk. Bit of a disappointment, considering that this retails for comfortably over $100. I picked it up locally for I think $40 at that price. I'm not mad at it. You do have a carpeted interior. The two-tone is nice. All 4 doors do open. See the simulated screens in the back. You have a 3-piece sunroof. So pretty nice overall. You know, I'd like the trunk to open, but at least there's some underhood detail. A little bit of detail underneath. So like I said, packaging for a Dealer Edition is this black window box. Nothing too exciting there. So that's it for this week. Still backlogged, and I keep buying cars, so there's still plenty to see. Plenty of opening diecast to come, and still a few more resin cars to get through. So that's it for this week. Everyone please like and subscribe, and have a good one.